What's next, Chris?
Let's talk about the a lot of the things when it comes to drivers and their unfortunate demise when it comes to driving is deactivation. And then, when it comes to deactivation, a lot of people get desperate. A lot of people look to get reactivated. There's a lot of bold claims out there that says you can get you can get reactivated, or we're the reactivation service that you can come and we'll fight to get you there. One of the big things that we want to let you know is with these types of comments that you see, I'm scrolling through the comments on RSG all of the time. There's probably like 20, 30, 40 comments that come in from these bot accounts trying to say that follow this hack and you'll whatever. So it's an unfortunate thing that's infested YouTube. It's all over, Facebook. It's all over these different platforms. It's trying to get people to send hard-earned money that you just got deactivated for to these companies that claim that they'll get you reactivated, or companies, I should say that never really are there. So if you get deactivated for something that is not a true cause, like if you were falsely deactivated, there are different avenues that you can go with people that are well known and well versed and well heard within the economy, within the gig economy itself. Now, as I just said, if you've been dealing with a deactivation, you want to go with somebody who's actually going to be able to help you. And this is going to be somebody with a law firm. We here at the RideShare Guy recommend Larry, which you're going to see in just a moment. He deals with deactivations, especially when it comes to unfair deactivations due to background checks.
Thanks, guys. I'm excited to be working with the RideShare Guy again. My firm has been helping Uber and Lyft drivers who've been denied employment because of background checks. We've helped literally hundreds of consumers all around the country who've lost a rideshare job because of a false background check. If this has happened to you, please give us a call at 888-822-1777 or visit our website at www.smithmarco.com. Thanks again. We're looking forward to helping you.
And for more information, link is going to be in the description below. So how you can contact Larry is going to be there, either phone number or website. And let's get back to the video. Go with people you know. Attorneys are another source of people who will be able to help you or could be able to help you. Just find the correct ones. If you find a website that says they will reactivate you and you have to give them money and they give you no information about who they are, where they operate, and if you do like a little lookup search and they came on last week, it's probably going to be a scam. So just watch out for things like that. Seriously, look at what people are doing. Go with what people have known for a little while. So like I said, we've had different deactivation videos and people that we've talked with on the channel itself. Harry sat down and did an RSG podcast with a couple different people when it comes to it. Go back, listen to those, look at what those people are talking about, because please do not share your income with anybody. After that, your hard-earned money needs to stay in your pocket, and also your information. Some of these places will fish for your information to use that against you, to do identity theft and all this stuff. So whatever you do, just please pay attention out there. Do not fall for these fly-by-night potential scams. I don't want to say that they are, but just put a lot of questioning in something that is, just popped up out of nowhere, or a comment on a video that is completely not true. So just be aware of that. Go with real places, please.
I agree 100%. I mean, it may be a blessing in disguise. Seriously, you got deactivated. Big effing deal. Okay. I mean, you've probably are their captor anyway. So, hey, there's your freedom. Go find something to do. Go create something, or at worst, go get a W-2 job. There are a lot of jobs out there, $22 an hour, man.
Honestly,
it could be a blessing in disguise. You know what I mean? So, honestly, to me, it's like if I ever got deactivated, Chris, I will not fight it unless it's some crackhead that's like lying about it. Then I'll fight it. But I'm not going to kill myself and spend my hard-earned cash to get back onto these platforms that you complain about anyway. So I'm like, you know what? Consider it a blessing. Go away. Do something else.
Yeah, but here's the other thing too. You know, a couple of years ago when other platforms weren't really around, like
Yeah.
today, you can go on, I mean, probably every single market has at least 5 different platforms that you can go on.
Oh, yeah.
Even small little markets, there's probably at least 5 different types of platforms. I mean, just in mine, there's probably like 20 at this point now.
Yeah.
And you know, I think a lot of it has to do with, you know, this is what you were used to, and then all of a sudden something is a huge shakeup and you can't do that anymore. It's like if you get laid off or fired at a job, it's the same exact thing. So yeah, you know, you could try to fight it if you want, but if you don't, you know, you can always go to different platforms, try that. You can always get a job. You can always do different things that can help you. You can always follow your own dream, whatever it might be. But again, when it comes to this reactivation stuff, please, I know you might be desperate, but go with people you know, go with people that you've heard, you know, throughout the years that are still around, not these fly-by-night places, not comments, not posts on Facebook, nothing like that. Nobody's going to be able to hack. Nobody's going to be able to do that. They're just going to get your information. They're just going to get your money. So be careful there. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.